Good morning, I'm Alberto of Good Taste of Tuscany. Today I will show you how deboning a chicken. For this operation we need a chicken, a deboning knife, it must be very sharp, a bowl for the leftovers and a chopping board. That's everything we need. Start with the operation. Cut the tips of the wings at the second joint. Cut the breast along the bone, separating the meat from the carcass. Arrive to the backbones. Repeat the same for the other side. Using the knife, separate the wing joints. Starting by the neck, separate the skin from the backbones. Finally, remove the rib cage. Start now separating the hip bones, taking care not to break the skin. Cut the thigh muscles from the bones, scraping the meat with the tip of the knife. Do the same with the wings. This is the deboned chicken. Here we have the bones. Arrivederci from Good Tastes of Tuscany.